Hey friends, I'm here at 500 Woodcroft Parkway, Unit 15D, giving you a virtual tour of the property. I'm here to show you what all this cute little townhouse has to offer. It hits the market on Friday at $169,900. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, and it is just cute as a button inside. Great conditions. Got engineered wood floors in the foyer. New carpet in the living room and bedrooms. This house does have a wood-burning fireplace, vaulted ceiling, bay window. That's in lots of good light. It's open to the kitchen and the dining area. It also has engineered hardwood, super cute. Granite countertops, nice subway tile backsplash, very trendy, dark cabinets. Crown molding, good lighting. Comes with the appliances, the microwave, electric stove, dishwasher, refrigerator. The dining area is here in the kitchen. Does have the laundry closet here as well. Washer and dryer are going to stay. Full bath. Fiberglass shower surround, granite countertops, vinyl square flooring. Nice size bedroom, number 1. Cute upgraded lighting. Double windows, nice closet space. The owner suite has a vaulted ceiling, wood beams, double closets. Also has a door to the outside to get to the deck, which is a nice oversized deck. I'll take you out there in just a minute. The owner suite has a nice medicine cabinet, quartz countertops, single bowl, standalone shower. There's a fiberglass insert, clean as it can be. Super cute townhouse. It will not last long. There's a linen there, a coat closet here. Show you the outside. All these windows off the back. Nice big deck. Plenty of room for entertaining. Little privacy wall there. Plenty of room for the grill. A little pet door there. You can see these are all brick. They are on a crawl space, which is nice. Lots of yard space. They take very good care of the exteriors here. They're here doing lawn maintenance today. Great parking in this unit. They've just put new roofs on these homes as well. Rebuilt the chimney box out of fiber cement instead of wood. It's really nice. Both of these rear doors have screens on them, so in the nicer months of the year you can leave those open and enjoy the great outdoors. This house is going to sell quickly, so if you have any questions about it, give me a call. Lisa Ellis, 919-606-1754.